I write all my YouTube scripts with AI now, and the first drafts come back in under 1 hour, and they actually sound like me. So in this video, I'll show you why I stopped hiring writers altogether. Then I'll show you the main problems with using AI to write YouTube scripts. And on top of that, I'll show you the exact system I built to fix this, so I only need 5 to 10 minutes of making revisions instead of hours. But before I get into the AI part, let me save you from this big mistake that I made. So I've run a YouTube script writing agency for over 3 years now, and I've hired a lot of writers along the way. So I've been on both sides of this. I've written scripts for clients, and I've also hired writers for my own channel. And writing YouTube scripts was one of the biggest bottlenecks in my business, so my first instinct was to hire someone to write them for me. But here's what happened. The writers I brought in weren't bad, okay? They knew copywriting, but they just didn't understand my niche. So I'd say, write a script on XYZ topic, and it always came back with copy and paste advice from ChatGPT. And so I realized that there was a knowledge gap. And if you have a technical business, your writers will never know enough about your industry to make content that doesn't suck. So I started handing my writers everything. I gave them old scripts, a whole content bank of topics and stories because my writers couldn't write well until I gave them the content first. And even then, the final scripts would sound like ChatGPT having a stroke, so I'd have to rewrite it anyways. And I realized that it was actually slower than if I just wrote the scripts myself. So I stopped and I built a system to write with AI instead, and now I get scripts done in under 1 hour. And if you want to actually build this whole thing with Claude, I put together a free 1 hour course that walks through every part of it from scratch. I'll put a link to this in the description. Now, you might think that you can just open up Claude and the scripts come out perfect, but that's just not how it goes because AI can be frustrating. And I know this all too well because here's a problem that I kept running into. AI loves to add AI slop into your writing, and you're probably aware of all the repetitive patterns that it likes to use. And at first, I just tell Claude to stop, but no matter what I did, it would always default back to this normal writing style. And I noticed that during the first half of a script, Claude would follow every rule that I gave it, but then halfway through, the slop would start to creep back in. But why was this the case? Well, you want to think about it like this. And so just picture a whiteboard. And the whiteboard represents the memory that Claude gets to work with. And so when one Claude writes the whole script in one go, it has to keep everything in its head at the same time. So Claude has the outline, and on top of that, it has 8 separate sections that it has to write. And to make it even worse, it has all the instructions that you gave it. So by the second half of the script, the board is already packed and Claude runs out of memory. And that's when Claude starts forgetting your instructions and defaulting back to AI slop. But how do we fix this memory problem? Well, Claude has an underused feature that I don't hear many people talk about, and that is subagents. So instead of having one Claude write the entire script, the fix is to have the main Claude spin up a team of other Claudes who all handle separate tasks. So the way my process works is I run my write script parallel workflow, and with this, the main Claude would build the outline. But then it spins out a team of subagents for each section of the script, and each one only gets what it needs to write its piece. So one of them might write the intro, one of them writes section 1, section 2, and so forth. And so every writer gets their own short brief, plus your brand files and nothing else. That's all they use. And so because of this, nobody's memory ever gets filled up. And another benefit of this is that because they all write at the same time, even a long script comes back in only a few minutes. But there's one problem with this process that can quietly wreck your scripts. Now, because the writers all fire at once, none of them can see what the others wrote. So the writer doing the section 2 has no idea what the writer doing section 5 is doing. And the reason why this is a problem is because 2 sections can end up making the exact same point. So here's how I fix that. Once the sections come back, the main Claude will stitch them together into one draft. But then it sends separate quality control agents through the whole thing top to bottom, and these subagents can see the entire script. So I run 2 of them, and the first one looks for the AI patterns and the slop, and the second one looks for the repetition where the same point is repeated in different sections. So that's how I set up my own AI script writing team to get my scripts written fast. And if you want something like this for your business, but you'd rather skip the whole thing and just have me set it up for you, then click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. Now, all these stages are great, but there was another issue that kept destroying me. So I'd run this whole process, and the script would still come back sounding like AI. And I just couldn't work out why. So I dug in, and it turned out that the quality control stages were getting skipped. They just weren't even running. And the problem was that I'd built this as a skill. And a skill is just a list of instructions that Claude follows. Now, here's why that's a problem. So the way that Claude works is it's kind of like an auto-complete feature on Google search. And so you know when you type a word and then it guesses the next one? Well, that's all that's really going on when you use Claude. It's predicting the next word over and over again. So it's brilliant at writing and making judgment calls, but it's really bad at following a list of steps in order because it does things randomly every single time. And so I switched to a workflow instead. Now, a workflow is basically a small piece of code that runs every step in a fixed order, and that way it can't skip a single step. So what I did was I changed my write script parallel skill into a workflow, and now the quality control steps run every single time. But now let me actually run the workflow in front of you, and you'll be shocked at how little I have to do once I hit enter. So let me pull up my workspace, and as you can see, the outline is already prepared. So all I do here is I talk for 5 to 10 minutes, and then Claude would create the outline, and then from there I make changes so that the outline is really good. And then from here, I then tell Claude to run the write script parallel workflow. So let's hit enter, and then this command will kick off the workflow from start to finish. Now here's what the workflow is doing while it runs. So first what it does is it spins up the subagents, and then they each write a different section at the same time. And then it stitches those sections into one draft. The quality control agents will then go and read the full draft and then hunt for the AI slop as well as the repetition. After that, the personality pass runs, and that puts my voice back into it because sometimes the quality control steps can make it sound a bit flat. And then once it's done, it hands me the finished draft. And so what's going to happen, it's going to ask you to confirm to run the workflow. You then click yes, and then it starts to run in the background. Now, because it's a workflow and not a skill, you're not going to see the script being written in the chat. It basically runs this JavaScript file that runs in the background. And so you can't see what's happening, but once it's done, it will write the script into a document for you to read. And as you can see right here, it's actually created the document right here. It started to write the script. Currently, the intro's done. We now have a few sections written. It's not fully done. It's still running some steps, like this is probably the first draft, and then it's going to run the quality control stages and start making edits. Now, the workflow takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes, something like that. Since I'm filming the video at the same time, it's going to take a bit longer than usual, but just to show you a different script that I wrote with it, this is sort of the standard that you're going to get. It writes the whole script, it organizes it by intro, first section, CTA, second section, and it writes it all out. And that's pretty much it. I can work on something else in my business while the script is written. And then afterwards, I can spend 5 to 10 minutes doing revisions before filming the video. Now, the system can write the scripts fast, but the skills underneath are the reason that it sounds like me instead of AI. And that's exactly what I covered in my last video on how I set up my Claude skills to write like a human. So go and watch that next. I'll leave it up here on the screen for you to watch next.